In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Facebook password. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's jump right into it. First things first, let's talk about why you might want to change your Facebook password. It's a good practice to update your passwords regularly for security reasons. If you suspect your account has been compromised, or even if it's just been a while since you changed it, this guide will help you through the changing process step by step. To begin, grab your device and open up your preferred web browser. Once you're ready, go ahead and type Facebook into your search bar, or simply navigate to Facebook's website directly. You might notice that the home page has a familiar blue theme and a login area. When you're on the Facebook homepage, look for your profile picture in the upper right corner. Click on it. This action will take you to your profile, where you'll find various options related to your account and activity. Next, you'll want to find the Settings and Privacy option. Click on that to expand its menu. This section is essential because it controls many aspects of your account, including your security settings. Within that menu, click on Settings. You've now entered the main settings area, where you can modify numerous features tied to your Facebook account. From here, look for the Account Center option. This is where you'll manage various account settings related to your Facebook and possibly Instagram accounts. Once you're in the Account Center, your next step is to look for the Password and Security section. Here, you'll find all the tools you need for handling your login credentials. Now that you're in the right section, you'll see an option that says Change Password. Go ahead and give that a click. This will prompt you to make some changes regarding how you manage your login. You'll want to choose the account for which you want to change the password, so click on that specific account. If you're managing multiple Facebook accounts or linked services, this option is particularly helpful to ensure you're modifying the correct login details. Next, the system will ask you to enter your current password. This step is crucial, as it helps secure your account from unauthorized changes. If you can't remember your current password, don't worry. Just click on the Forgot Password link, and you'll find steps to recover it. After entering your current password, it's time to create a new one. When you're in the designated field, type in your new password. Remember, a strong password typically includes a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you've typed your new password, you'll need to retype it in the next field. This is to confirm that you haven't made any mistakes in the first entry. Be sure to double-check for any typos. Incorrect entries can lead to problems later on. Now you're almost there. After you've confirmed your new password, the last step is to click on the Change Password button. This action will finalize the process, and you'll receive a confirmation that your password has been updated. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your Facebook password. It's worth taking a moment to log out and then log back in to ensure everything is working as expected. To wrap things up, remember that keeping your passwords updated is crucial for maintaining your online security. Regularly changing passwords and using strong, unique ones can protect your accounts from potential breaches. Thank you for joining me in this video on how to change your Facebook password. If you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to learn, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Take care, and see you next time.